Okay.
All right, this is going to be probably a very comical day.
It
We are.
will be comical. Now that I know that the camera
We
is
got
moving.
Colleen. Let's see. We got Scotty, Colleen, Jeff, Aj, and me. Dave has decided to stay back. We had it all planned. He was going with us, but he has decided to stay
Ow.
back with all the dogs.
How did your head feel against the window, Scott?
Perfect. Now I got to run Jake over.
I heard it. I was like,
Oh no! All right, we're heading to Williamson Flagstaff. We've got all kinds of things to do today, and then we're also going to get mulch, which is where you guys get that at.
municipal.
There's cinders, the landfill out in their cinders.
Okay, Aja and Jeff are going to. You're amending the beds, right? The last one
This is the last time, yes.
of the back
In the
garden.
veggie garden. Yeah.
Oh, veggie garden. So we need to get that because we're only out here for a few more weeks. And oh, that's Jake. Bye, Jake. So
Yes,
that's
today's
what
a
we're
bit,
doing today.
Chilly. It started out chilly.
Yeah, it's cold. It's gonna get real
Every
cold.
night it'll be below freezing through the rest of the month.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
after
gonna be
Sunday.
really cold. All
Oh
right.
God, I've been
Just
here
needs
when it
more
was
propane.
24
No, I know.
degrees. Actually 15.
A couple
degrees.
days
28,
is not
30
bad.
degrees ain't
It's
bad.
when it stays
It's when it's low
cold
20s.
a long time.
Yeah.
We can have indoor activities.
Is that called watching TV?
I mean, even
How
when
many
we're
football
in
games are on?
southern Arizona, like
Yeah.
what is it, towards the end of January, it stays in the 30s.
Well, we had that one time where we all stayed in our rig and played games that day
Yeah.
that turned into a night party. A
night?
raging night party.
I feel like a disco ball should come out of the
Out of my ceiling.
and then
And the
music
lights
and-
dim and the colored lights come on.
Don't you have that button in here, girl?
Yeah. Click.
How late did
Disco.
karaoke go the other night?
Karaoke? Like midnight?
Oh, after
What,
the
last
party?
night?
No, after
Oh.
Jake's birthday,
Oh,
they went
yeah.
over and did karaoke.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it wasn't that much.
Harmless
longer.
fun.
The party got over at 10.
Right.
We just sat in the clam with the propane fire till about midnight.
All right.
I hit that rock again, Jeff.
Yeah, I know. We should take a walk over
Gosh,
there.
dang that rock.
I
You
hit
know
it
what that looks like
feel
on
like
camera?
it's got your name on it, Scotty.
I hit it every time.
That's the tourist train that goes from Williams to the Grand Canyon, and it's about $100, I think. And they offer a meal with it too. And also, halfway there, they get raided by cowboys on the train on horseback riding.
Oh, that's fun.
That thing was full.
Was it full?
It was pretty dang full.
For a Wednesday, huh? Wow.
It sounds like it'd be fun. And then they stay in the Grand Canyon for a couple hours, so you can look around.
There's another one down the Verde Valley.
And then they have one for Christmas that doesn't go all the way down. There's a Christmas village about halfway to the Grand Canyon, and they stop there for Christmas.
That would be fun.
Yeah.
All right, we've got to go to Williams first. I think we're going to go get a bite to eat, and then we're going to... What all do we have to do in Williams?
Just pick up packages and eat.
Oh, I want to do this.
The Alpine roller coaster.
Yeah, Dave wants to do it too. Have you done it, Aja?
Heck no, I don't like roller coasters.
I want to go do it. It's not
Well,
really
yeah.
it's not a roller coaster though.
67.
It's all
You-
straight
you
down.
You can slow yourself down after that break.
I don't know where I'm
Mr.
going.
Route
So.
60.
It'll be on
66
the left of you
Williams.
right after the station.
You didn't read them the sign, lady.
What
The
sign?
elevation of Williams
So
is
right at-
1679.
Right after this gas station, turn in.
It was
I didn't even
founded
see
in
that.
See where it says diner?
1881.
Okay.
When was it founded?
It was founded in 1881.
I'm just turning right up in here, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can either park in back or.
That is your tourist guide right there.
Yes, I always tell everybody that. Hi, y'all.
Waffle Wednesday. Hi.
How many for you?
5.
Okay.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there 5 of us?
Yes, there's 5.
No. Do we want to sit back here? What are you going to do? Shovel the food into the mouth? Look how low you are.
All the benches are down. You want to sit in a chair.
First time we ever came to Williams, this is
Why
where
are you
we
shooting my
sat.
crotch?
Yeah, this is better. I'm sitting in a chair. Too much music in here. There's too much music.
Yeah, I know. You have to be talking.
What happened, Aja? You're breaking the house. Oh my gosh. So you asked for crispy hash browns? They are crispy. They're yummy.
To go with it.
Yeah, I just got hash browns and an egg. Scotty's having water. He doesn't do breakfast. He'll probably have some of this, but yum. Oh yeah, we've got a project going on. Super excited about this one. This is gonna be a major game changer for us. Loving this.
Oh, all right, yippee-ki-yay. Got some packages. We're going to have a great project going on here real soon. Can't wait.
Organic and free range, and their yolks are yellow.
On this one, Jeff, I'm going to turn to the right.
You're going to turn to the right, and
Okay.
then you'll want to get in the left lane of the
Okay.
2 lanes.
See, Terry, that's where natural groceries.
What we're going to do is go under the railroad, and we'll make a left right after.
Natural
we go
groceries,
under
what do you mean? Like everything's natural in there?
Well, and also they have.
Do they have happy eggs in there?
Well, she just bought her eggs for $2. Cage-free. Brown eggs.
The internet.
Scotty's
For
little
$2?
tortugas.
There they are, these.
Where?
They have
Causing
some, natural
problems.
grocers right there.
Here,
They
I'll
have
put that
a lot
over
of,
there.
like, natural. I was telling you about that. You gotta sign up.
Aja.
Wanted to see how
You're funny in the video because it's like all I can see is your eyeballs.
Is this Willis? What
Yeah.
was his name? Wilson?
Like,
Wilson.
Wilson.
Hi, y'all.
It's been quite the adventure today.
has.
We've gone to
We're only 5
Walmart,
hours into it. We got a long day still.
my not so favorite store.
Walmart?
Yeah, I'm not a big Walmart fan anymore. I think you've taken me to Walmart so many times that I'm like, I'm not happy with Walmart. But I was able to get a lot of stuff that I needed. Where else did we go? Is that the only place we've been?
No, UPS store.
Oh
UPS.
yeah, we got our good stuff. Pretty exciting
We
about
ate
the stuff.
breakfast, but
We
you
did.
showed that.
Yeah. Yeah, we're pretty excited about the
Thanks,
stuff we
everybody. You're
picked
the
up at
best
the
guy ever.
UP. What's your problem?
Me?
Yeah.
I have no problem at all. I have no problem at
It's
all.
busy down here in Flagstaff. It's
Just
busy.
because it's not Friday.
Yeah. Oh, we got stuck in traffic down here like that. Who, Willis?
Yeah, either or. No, the
Is
other,
it Wilson
the
or
other-
Willis?
Wilson.
Wilson.
How was your Wilson hanging over your corner? Wait.
You have a lot of stuff back there.
I do.
Tons
Tons of
left,
stuff.
like at the second light. There'll be a shell station.
I feel like you
right.
got some stuff
You're
back
gonna
there
go to the
too.
left.
I don't have as much stuff back there as you have.
No, I'm a shopaholic.
I'm a little bit. All right, we got one more stop to make. Oh, it's been a long day. Got a little tiny trailer, and then you can put your quad or your, yeah, I guess that's a quad. Very cool. We're all hungry. It's been a long day.